Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Then choose system settings and tap on one-handed mode. Following that, you need to tap on this switcher, and as you can see, I have tricky navigation, so I cannot use one-handed mode. If you have the same problem, you need to access settings in the pop-up, tap on gestures to set up this navigation method and just learn to follow the instructions. I will go with cancel though and tap on the back button. Then click on the switcher to next one-handed mode to activate it and follow those instructions. So I have to swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you need to click on the blurry area. If you wish to turn it off completely, you need to access the same settings and tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!